Outstanding design defines the 2015 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.